So this is in fact a muscle car.
Crazy little car. Yeah. 12,000 RPM. Yeah.
So we both agreed this is a pro touring muscle car.
Absolutely.
So let's talk about it. What do we have here?
It's a 1972 Honda N600. This one's highly modified though. It's a VFR800 V4 Interceptor motor out of a 98 Honda Interceptor. 6 speeds, still from the motorcycle's transmission. 12,000 RPM.
Wow.
Narrowed Miata front and rear suspension. It's now rear wheel drive car. 1,400 pounds.
Now, did you buy it like this? You
Bought it like this.
Bought
yeah.
it like this. And where'd you find it?
Bring a trailer, actually. Yeah.
And why did you have to have this? Because you got some other cool stuff.
I'm into motorcycles. I'm into cars. This is the best of both worlds.
And so you have this. What else do you have that you bring here?
69 Z28, 40th anniversary Porsche 911, 2002 Corvette Z06.
So you've got the kaleidoscope, but high horsepower
mix.
stuff.
Yeah.
And then you have this, which
little
is
horsepower, but no weight.
And how is it to drive?
It's like driving a first-gen Miata.
Got it.
Track. With no reverse.
And what's the response on the road from people if you go up to the rock store or a car show?
Oh, everywhere you go, it's surrounded by people. Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate you bringing it out.
Absolutely.
Love it.
Of course, though. How fast?
Again.
Geared to do about 137.
Wow.
About quarter mile, I would do 60. Whatever, 150 horsepower.
Smell the Shelby?
How cool is that? Unbelievable. I'm big in Japan. What a great day out here. So I can keep